Whoo, guys. That's right so fast.
I got a freaking big one.
Oh my God.
Watch it be 25 and a half.
It's probably gonna be like 24, 5 or 24 maybe. Actually, you know what? Finally. Finally. It's a quillback. It ate it. Bro, what? Why is a quillback eating this, bro? What the heck? These are some of the weirdest quillback I've ever... Sorry, babe. I'm not touching you with my actual hands, bro. You're stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Bro. Dude, look it. It's a baby quillback. What the heck? Not the intended species, but not too bad. Little baby quillback. Let's get a release on him. Skadoosh.
Oh, finally, bro.
Sauger or walleye?
That feels so good.
Wyatt, sauger or walleye? I don't know what you holding it like that means.
That feels so nice.
You want to
Stop it, stop it. Let me hold you nicely. I don't know, it's probably like 16, 17.
Got one. It's good. Wyatt, wait. Let's go. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Get in. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Let's go, finally. Oh, solid walleye. Solid walleye. Dude, that's like a 20-incher. Dude, that's a good walleye. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, look, buddy. Oh, got him right in the corner of the mouth. Let's go. Come here, buddy. Whew. All right, guys, just got a walleye. Holy crap! Just a little bit after that quillback carp, solid maybe 18 inches. Let's get him back. Whew. Oh, see you, buddy. What do you mean, wait? Hurry up. I'm just using a little minnow. That's it. Just kind of what they're using, just a minnow. Yeah. Time to get him back. See you, buddy. Let's see. Let's get this release on him. Whew. He's gone. There we go. We got to get him off first. Or not. You're not very good at smiling or posing for photos, are you?
Oh, that feels so good, dude. I'm gonna measure.
I could have brought my bump board down, but I didn't.
Man,
Oh my gosh. See, aren't you glad we stayed?
that was probably like 18.
Mine was like a little bit bigger than that. No, like.
I saw it. It was not.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Yours was like 17.
No, it wasn't. It was like 19.
This one was probably like 16, 17.
Mine was like 2 inches longer than that.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. I saw it. Yes.
No, I saw the fish, bud.
Dude, I was the one holding it. I know how long it was, dude. Seriously.
I know how long it was too. I watched
It was 19. Ooh, that was. There we go. That one. I felt that guy hit it right as the camera's about to die. Camera's about to die. I get the fish. Let's go, guys. Look at this. Just beautiful, beautiful walleye fishing. What is better than this, guys? I don't know what's better than this. I felt that guy just slam it and take it down. Oh, look at this, boys. He may just be a baby, but a fish is a fish. Walleye number 2. Nice, maybe about 8 inches or so. Oh, look at the colors on his head. So beautiful. Let's get the release. Whew. There he goes. Crap. Is it a carp? You want the net? You want the net? All right. Holy crap, he said giant walleye. He said giant walleye. Oh my gosh. Walleye gets the big one of the day so far. Holy crap, that thing is huge. Holy crap, dude. High 20 walleye. Come on. What do you mean? Hey, you lucky I'm running for it, not walking. Once you're ready, bring him over to this, over here. Whew. Whew, guys. That's right so fast. Oh my God.
Watch it be 25 and a half.
It's probably gonna be like 24, 5 or 24 maybe.
You recording? You take photos?
Yeah. What is it? It's 25.
24 and 7/8.
Oh my gosh.
It's really fat.
No, that's, oh yeah, 24 and 7/8. Holy crap, 24 and 7/8.
25.
25. All right, let's get a photo of you with it.
Bro,
That's
basically 25.
Get it.
That's the second, that's like the third or fourth 25 inch.
Look at me. Look at me.
That's pretty good though.
Oh my gosh, what a walleye, Wyatt.
Thank you.
Dude,
Dude,
let's get the
finally.
release.
Let's go.
Dude, let's get the release.
Oh,
There he goes.
Awesome.
Oh
That
my
was
gosh.
freaking awesome.
Let's go.
Oh. That might be the first over 20-inch walleye I've caught.
Got one.
What?
I got one right here. Oh, that's a decent walleye. Right up shallow, just where Chinu said. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on. Am I recording? Yes. Oh my god, I didn't know if I'd turned it off. Oh, it's maybe like 17 or 18. Yeah, let me pop this hook out first. Wherever it is. Oh, there it is. Get out, buddy. Right here. Maybe 16 or 17, I would say. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back. See you, buddy. Skadoosh. Swim away. There he goes. Just need one more to sort of boom a fish. Ooh. There we go. Now let him hit that. It's a little baby walleye. Sauger, right? Yeah, sauger. Whew. A sauger. Yeah. It's like a walleye, kind of. No, we just throw them back here. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. There we go. No, just a black and black jig in the 2.5-inch plastic. Let's get him back. Ow. We got spiky things, buddy. See ya. Woo. Wrong way. Woo. Could have been one of those baby white bass. Smallie? Hold on, let me get a picture of you with that.
Second smallest is a pretty one. He hooked my sweatshirt with his mouth.
Nice smallie.
Oh, now I'm covered in slime. This was a clean sweatshirt. I guess I can wear it to work. It's tiny.
No, but it's good. Dude, the backlighting was... Oh. Got one. Fish that's not... It's a decent one. Walleye. Walleye. Holy sh... That's a big sauger. Dude, that is a nice sauger. Was that recording? Oh my gosh. Put him down. I want to pick him up. It's not like, oh my gosh. That is a nice sauger, dude. Look at that.